Hey, this is Mr. Mola with lesson 3.2. And the joke for this one is, what do you get when you cross a tortoise and a porcupine? So again, kind of like the last one, usually we just do a couple of these, but this one's kind of short, so we're going to go through them all. So determine whether the graph, table, or equation represents a linear or non-linear function. So number one, we look at there, that is not a straight line. So that one's going to be non-linear. Versus number two, that is a straight line. So that one is going to be linear. So remember, the graph ones are the easiest to tell if it's linear or nonlinear. Table, remember, we're looking for an adding or subtracting pattern for both the x's and the y's. So my x's looks like it's going up 2 here, and my y's from 21 to 18 to 15 to 12, it looks like it's going down 3. There's a consistent pattern for both, so that one's going to be linear. Here for the x's, it looks like it's going down 4 each time, so that's good. And then we go from 27 to 30, so that's up 3. And then we go back down to 27, so we're going down 3. So we can stop right there because I already know that's not the same. So number 4 is going to be nonlinear. Remember on numbers 5 and 6, there's a couple of things that it can't have. So it can't have like the square root of x or the absolute value of x or x squared or x times y or x divided by y. All of these things make it nonlinear. Number 5 looks good, doesn't have any of those things in there, so that one's going to be linear. Number 6, unfortunately, has an exponent there, so it has the x squared, so that's going to be nonlinear. Here, number 7, y equals 14 minus 1/5 x, doesn't have anything that we need to worry about, so that one's going to be linear. And then number 8, 3 minus 1/3 y equals 8x minus 11, kind of written kind of weird, but doesn't have any of those things on there. So that's going to be another one that is linear. 9, the function y equals 16 plus 0.75x represents the cost in dollars of a large pizza with extra toppings. Is that linear or nonlinear? Again, looking at this equation, none of that weird stuff there, so it is linear as well. So answer for the joke, what do you get when you cross a tortoise and a porcupine? You get a slowpoke.